Right, for maths today, we'll start off with thinking about time. We're going to think about different things that you do throughout the day, so we can mark what we do in the morning, maybe what we do in the afternoon, what we do around tea time, and what we do at night time. So I'm going to find some objects to sequence my day. I'm going to see what I can find first. So I've got some objects here. I want to see if you can help me put these in order so I can show my day, really, what sort of things I do at different times in the day. So let's have a look. We've got some cheese slices, some breakfast cereals, pasta, television, remote control, toothpaste, my car keys, Charlie, toothbrush, bubble bath, my pyjamas. Now, what's the first thing I would do you reckon, in the morning? I'm going to have some breakfast. I'm going to put that first. Order that one first. And after my breakfast, before I go to school, I always have a bath. Make sure I'm nice and relaxed for the horrors. So there's a bath. And then, of course, I have to brush my teeth. So I definitely brush my teeth before I go to school. And then, to get to school, of course, I need my keys. I drive to school. And some of the things we do at school would be phonics. That's why I got Charlie. And then I could have my keys again about going home later, couldn't I? But before that, I have to have my lunch. My cheese slices. And then I could put my keys again if I wanted to. But I would go home and I would, after maybe getting dressed, I would have my tea. And then relax for a bit in the evening, watching the television. And then before I go to bed, brush my teeth again and put on my pyjamas. So that's like a timeline of my day. Can you see? Things I do in the morning, things to the afternoon, through to the evening, to bedtime. Do you think you could show me things that you do throughout the day? Once you've done that, can you get your Numicon pieces and put them in order for me? So that we have one, our orange one. What colour's two? It's like a lilac-y light blue, isn't it? Two, and then we've got three. And we've got four. What colour's four? Can you remember? Just like the number blocks. 5, 6, 7. What colour's 7? Do you remember? It's a pink one. And we've got 8. And that's a darker green. I wonder why that's a darker green. What's that got to do with 4? I put 4 over the top. Oh look, half of 8 equals 4. So maybe that's why that's light green and that is dark green. And then after 8 we've got, what colour? Yeah, the purple one. Number 9, and then the new one, 10, blue. So what them in order. Now what I want you to do is, I'm gonna get a piece of Numicon, and you've got 3 or 4 seconds to find the piece of Numicon that matches it, that will make 10. So I'm gonna put another 10 here so I can match the number, okay? So there's my 10. I'm gonna select 6. Hold up the one that you think would go with 6 to make 10. 6 and what? Quick. 3, 2, 1. Right, let's have a look on here. 6 and 4 makes 10. Okay, remember that, because if I choose 4, you can choose 6, can't you? Okay, right, let's try again. This time I'm gonna get the number 8. What do you need to go with 8 to make 10. 8 and... Let's have a look. Did you hold up the number 2? 8 and 2. Remember that in case I hold up the number 2. Right, what do you need to go with my number 5? Now you should all know that. 5 and what makes 10? Now, you should have used your hands, shouldn't you? Because you've got 2 5s on your hands. I can prove that. 5 and 5 makes 10. Okay. What goes with 4 to make 10? Did you get it? Now, if you remembered, a minute ago we did 6 and 4, so it's just the other way round. So it's like a fact for 3. You know that 6 and 4 makes 10, so you know that 4 and 6 makes 10. What about if I got just number 1? What do you need to go with 1 to make 10? Did you find it? It's easy to know that one, isn't it? Because 9 and 1 more is 10. So do you think you could explore making 10 again, but by that kind of competition? So get your adult, your grown up to shout out a number and you've got to match it with the Numicon. Is that okay? Play that for me and then I'll show you a new education city to finish. So if you want to, I've got in the classwork section a new maths city here, and it's called Maths Other Activities because they're not ones based on the numbers. Let's have a look. This time it's about patterns, different kind of lengths measuring, some shape, and weighing, and some money. Now, some of them might be tricky, so you might have a go a few times. There's quite a few where you watch a video first, so the yellow ones you watch, and then it might help you with the activity. Okay, so you could have a go at that one, and don't forget, you've also got this maths one, haven't you? I wonder how far through that one you've got.